I don't know if that's the same play that these other companies are running, if it's still working or not. I haven't looked at Coinbase stock. We did see a new all-time high for the S&P 500 today, which is very much looking like a blow-off top to me. I don't know how we go much higher than here. I think the valuations are at the far, far end of the extended range. PE ratios at some companies are 25, 26. The S&P itself is at that level. Some of the AI stocks, like, if you look at infrastructure stuff like NVIDIA, they're still in an okay range. They're at like 19 on their PE ratio. But I would argue that the stock market is significantly overvalued at the current price points that are out there, and it's not sustainable for an extended period of time. I do believe that we're going to see a significant pullback in the stock market that's going to be exacerbated by the reverse carry trade, or even brought on by the reverse carry trade unwinding. So that kind of leads into some of the other macro that's going on. We've seen the Bank of Japan intervene at least 4 times in the last few days here of this week. Not good. The IMF will step in after 6 interventions on the yen and start very much regulating the exchange rate for the yen. And they don't want that. So they're really backed up against a corner here. They really have maybe 2 more times that they can step in and intervene in the market before the IMF kind of steps in and takes control of the situation. I think that they're still going to raise interest rates there in Japan, and that is what's going to, drive the reverse carry trade, or the Japanese carry trade, however you want to call it, to unwind globally. It'll be a credit crisis. It'll be a liquidity crisis. And we know what the plan is when that plays out. So excited about that, which is unusual. Like, if you didn't know that there was a plan in the background and you weren't invested in that, you probably have